Finding the perfect wireless arcade stick for your Xbox can be overwhelming, especially with so many options out there. You might be tempted to just grab the first one you see, but that could cost you precious gaming moments. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 wireless arcade sticks that will take your fighting game experience to the next level. Stick around because our top pick might just surprise you, and it's definitely worth the investment. Remember, links in the description to check the current prices, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. MAYFLASH Arcade Stick F300 Elite. The MAYFLASH Arcade Stick F300 Elite is a fantastic option for both casual gamers and competitive players. It features a versatile design that supports multiple platforms, making it a great all-rounder for Xbox users. The stick boasts a customizable button layout and a robust construction, ensuring durability during intense gaming sessions. One of its standout features is the compatibility with a variety of systems, including PC and PlayStation, which is perfect for gamers who own multiple consoles. However, some users have noted that the joystick can feel a bit stiff out of the box, but this is often resolved through adjustment over time. 8BitDo Retro Wireless Arcade Fight Stick. Next up is the 8BitDo Retro Wireless Arcade Fight Stick, which is perfect for retro gaming enthusiasts. This arcade stick channels the nostalgia of classic gaming while also providing modern wireless capabilities. It features a comfortable design with responsive buttons that deliver a satisfying tactile feedback. The wireless connection is stable, allowing for fluid gameplay without the hassle of cords. Additionally, its lightweight and portable design make it a great choice for gaming on the go. However, the retro aesthetic may not appeal to everyone, especially those looking for a more contemporary look. Nacon Daija Arcade Fight Stick. Officially licensed. At number 3, we have the Nacon Daija Arcade Fight Stick, which is officially licensed for Xbox and designed for serious gamers. This stick is equipped with high-quality components that provide precision and reliability, making it a top choice for competitive play. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended gaming sessions, and the customizable buttons allow players to create a setup that suits their playstyle. One notable feature is the detachable faceplate, which makes it easy to modify or replace parts as needed. However, its premium price point might be a consideration for budget-conscious gamers. HORI Fighting Stick Alpha Designed. Claiming the second spot is the HORI Fighting Stick Alpha Designed, a stylish and functional arcade stick that appeals to both casual and competitive gamers. This stick features a sleek design and a well-balanced layout, enhancing gameplay across various genres. Its built-in turbo functions and adjustable sensitivity settings provide gamers with added versatility. Additionally, the stick is known for its high durability, making it reliable for intense gaming sessions. While it performs excellently in most areas, some users have reported that it may require additional configuration for optimal use with certain games. 8BitDo All-Button Arcade Controller. Finally, we have the 8BitDo All-Button Arcade Controller, taking the top spot for its unmatched versatility and performance. This controller is engineered for ultimate responsiveness and comfort, making it ideal for fighting game aficionados and casual players alike. Its compact design allows for easy transport, and the wireless connectivity ensures you can play without being tethered to your console. Users appreciate the seamless experience it offers, whether battling friends or going solo against AI. One small drawback is that some users may miss the heavier feel of traditional arcade sticks, but the compact design is a worthy trade-off. That wraps up our list of the top 5 wireless arcade sticks for Xbox in 2026. Each of these controllers offers unique features to enhance your gaming experience. Whether you're a casual player or a competitive fighter. Be sure to check out the product links in the description to find the right stick for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow gamers, and subscribe for more reviews and gaming tips. Happy gaming!